Hey everybody, today on Make Your Mark, we are making a beautiful Valentine's Day bracelet using resin hearts and Crystal Lane flat back gems from John Bead. You are going to love how easy it is to cover resin pieces in flat back crystals. And this bracelet, it is the perfect accessory for Valentine's Day. Are you ready to jump in? Let's make some jewelry. Greek philosophers agreed that the heart was linked to our strongest emotions, including love. Plato argued for the dominant role of the chest in love and in negative emotions of fear, anger, rage, and pain. Claudius believed that Roman soldiers should be completely devoted to Rome and passed a law preventing them from marrying. Saint Valentine began to marry these soldiers in secret Christian ceremonies, and it's thought that this was the beginning of his reputation for believing in the importance of love. Archaeologists have found evidence that people wore bracelets in ancient Egypt, Mesopotamia, and China starting 7,000 years ago. Early bracelets were made of grasses, slender tree limbs, and shells, then later copper and bronze. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at the Mark Montano. Also, follow me on Patreon for projects that you don't see anywhere else. And I will see you real soon. Bye.